Virginia, the city of Salem, northeastern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, the city of Roanoke, southwestern Bedford County, southwestern Wattamattat County, northern Franklin County, northeastern Montgomery County in southwestern Virginia until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shawsville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roanoke, Blacksburg, Salem, Christiansburg, Vinton, Troutville, and Boone's Mill. This includes the following locations: the Salem Fairgrounds and Roanoke Regional Airport,